Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree and this is the second part to my BoxyCharm unboxing. So if you see my other video, then you've already seen me with my face already done up, and I already talked about the products and gave my full-on review on each product that I had used. So for this portion of the video, you'll be seeing me try on these products. So let's get it started. So I'm going to be trying on this right here. I already have a cotton pad with me, and I'm just going to apply some onto my cotton pad. And here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and take this right here. This is the Cuticle Oil that was mentioned before, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this stuff and place it here. Ooh, I think I put a little bit too much. I actually have enough for, actually one drop is enough for all your fingers. So I'm just pushing it into my cuticles, really massaging it in. Voila! I must say it has a really nice scent, but I don't notice that it's quickly drying, so I might be here a while. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this right here. This is Sephora, the Tinted and Cooling Eye Primer. I have it in the shade Matte Pink Beige, and actually I take it back. The Cuticle Oil does dry down. You just got to give it a little, like over a minute, and then it really dries down. So I really like it. My cuticles look really healthy and just really nice, and my nails look shiny, so I like that stuff. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this palette right here. This is a Morphe X Manny MUA Glam palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here called Dust Cloud and put this all over the eyelid. Notice there is a lot of fallout. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to take is called Sophie. It's this really pretty, like a matte brown, but a very nude. So I'm just taking this flat brush right here. This is a really old Mary Kay brush. It's here in my crease. And then with a clean fluffy brush, this is a Sephora brush, I'm going to blend it out. And I'm just going to do that over and over and over till I get the buildup that I want. Okay, so not the buildup payoff that I was hoping for, but it's fine. I'm just going to try another shade color. I'm going to try the shade called Zaya, and I'm just going to repeat the same thing. Taking this same brush, and then I am placing it in the crease. Okay, so this is working a little bit better, but I'd like it to be a little bit darker, but I don't want to put anything darker than the shade called Howl in that crease, because I have a whole nother way of using that shade. So with this small Sonia Kashuk brush, I am just going to take the shade called Scorpio. It's this really beautiful goldeny shade. I'm not noticing a whole lot on my eyelid. And I'm really pushing my brush into the eyeshadow. Okay, now we're cooking. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade called Howl. It's this deep brown shade, and I'm just taking this Moda Pro brush. This is the detailed brush, and I'm going to take this shade here on the outer corner. Okay. much better. And I still really want a little bit more than what I got going on in the crease. So I'm going to just go ahead and take this shade right here called Spellbound. And I'm just going to take a crease brush. I'm going to take very little bit of this shade. And I'm going to place it in my crease. Okay, I probably should have went in with this shade first. Now I'm getting that color palette that I really was craving. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and when I come back the rest of my face will be finished, so stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back and I finished my face off of camera and I did my other eye off camera as well. So let's continue on with this video. So the other thing that there is left for me to try on is this right here. These are the lipsticks. So I'm going to go ahead and try them all on. So I just went ahead and left the shade called Full House on my lips because I think it works perfectly well with the eye look that I'm wearing. So I'm going to go back into the Maddie Morphe MUA Glam Palette and I'm going to go in with the shade called Nova and I'm going to highlight the top of my cheekbones. Ooh, really pretty. I get this beautiful metallic-y type of highlight. Really gorgeous. Ooh, so pretty. Almost looks wet. Ooh, so nice. Okay, so that is everything that I have received in my BoxyCharm box. So if you want to see me going into detail about these products, then please watch the first part of my video. This is part 2 where I try on everything. So if you like this type of video, then please give it a thumbs up. I'm trying something new, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I am trying to earn 100 subscribers. It is my goal, so if you could be so kind to help me reach my goal. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.